All right, although this is absolutely natural, if you have serious health issues, please ask your doctor if you can take this. Also stay until the end so we can talk about how often you can take this. We're gonna use coconut water for this. Make sure when you buy it, it's only coconut water. It doesn't have any additives or sugars or anything to it. If you can get a regular coconut and break it up, better even. Coconut water has liver protective properties, especially for damaged livers. It has antioxidants. It reduces high cholesterol markers in your blood. And it reduces free radicals in your body. It's very good for your liver. If you would rather just use water for this, you can, and just use filtered water, okay? We're also gonna use kale for this recipe. Kale is from the cruciferous family, you know, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Very, very healthy for your liver. It has a component called glutathione, which helps your liver flush out toxins. It's also super nutritious, guys. Very high in antioxidants. Lots of polyphenols in this. Vitamin A, vitamin K, beta-carotene. Really, really good for you. So put some of that in here. Say a big handful. Next, we're going to use frozen blueberries. You can use fresh. These are the king of antioxidants. Very, very good. And they do reduce the possibility of fibrosis in your liver, right? Besides all the other great things that blueberries do to your body. Excellent, excellent source of antioxidants. Finally, I'm going to add half of an organic lemon. All I did is quarter it, washed it, quartered it, and I'm not gonna peel it or anything. This is really, really also very good for your liver. Has a ton of antioxidants, not to mention so much vitamin C, which is really good. It'll flush toxins out of your body. If you don't have an organic lemon, please peel it. Okay, you don't want to be consuming all those pesticides. Do about 3/4 cups of coconut water. If you don't have a powerful blender, you might want to go ahead and peel that lemon. Otherwise, you'll have little pieces of skin. You're not gonna like it. Here's our drink. Guys, if you don't have a propensity to kidney stones, you can drink this every day. It's fine. If you do, the kale has oxalates in it, and you might want to not have it so much because you don't want to flare up your kidney stones, yeah? You can also substitute the kale for broccoli, which is excellent as well for your liver. Now, if you have serious liver disease, these little drinks aren't going to do anything for you. But if you don't, and you've been diagnosed with a little bit of fat in your liver, these drinks are great. They're going to help with the production of enzymes in your liver. They're going to help clean it out. And yes, they can also help you repair it. It's also delicious, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.